It's time to check in with Approved Home Pros.
When you don't know where to turn for home improvements or repairs, Approved Home Pros has you covered. So today I'm here with our co-founder, Sean Johnson. So excited to talk about this because Approved Home Pros has been putting people at ease for years now. Home improvements are really scary. What do we find? How do people feel?
I think they often feel vulnerable, unsure, unsafe because it's not something people do on a regular basis. You don't deal with a contractor more than a few times in your life normally for any given trade. So they feel vulnerable, I think, and uneasy.
And there's so much room for being taken advantage of. And unfortunately, we hear those horror stories all the time. So Approved Home Pros, of course, has a better way.
Absolutely, it's our ProFinder service. So you can go online anytime, it's totally free, and you can put in the category you're looking for, and you're going to find the pros that we've screened and vetted and recommend. And there's choice. We allow up to 3 companies per category, but it's not overwhelming choice. So it's not like, we provide 50 companies all with the same rating. So it's easy to use, it's safe, it's free, and we don't collect your personal information, which I think is a big key.
I love that too, because that's exactly the homeowner. You at home are in the power seat the entire time when it comes to finding a pro when you use Approved Home Pros, because you only have to submit us your contact information if you have a question that you need us to answer for you.
Yeah, or you want to join Home Pro Connection, our newsletter. But a lot of the other companies, the other services, they collect your personal data so they can sell it to contractors, and you get bombarded by calls and emails, and that's not the way we operate.
No, and that will never happen here with Approved Home Pros. But of course, the pros you will find have all been screened and vetted. Tell me a bit about that process.
Our screening and vetting process is the same one we've been using since our founding, and it was established by top contractors in the marketplace. And we look at everything from licensing, insurance, all the different things that are required. The main thing though is you have to be voted in unanimously by our existing membership. And the existing members are experts that know who's doing things right and who's doing things wrong as they see it in the field.
Absolutely. The best of the business here in San Diego on the ground, see and know the work of the other best in San Diego.
Yeah. And we find when people use that service, the ProFinder service, they feel at ease, they feel relaxed, and they can feel confident in that home improvement, which is the way you should feel.
And of course, we're so confident about Approved Home Pros, we guarantee it.
Yeah, absolutely. We stand behind our pros. We guarantee that you're going to have a good experience with a company we recommend, or we'll step in to help make it right.
So no matter what it is that you need for your home, you can turn to Approved Home Pros and use our ProFinder to find the product, service, or repair that you're looking for.